Hello viewers, in this quick tutorial I will show you how to convert an image into a PDF using ChatGPT step by step. First, open ChatGPT in your browser. Make sure you are logged into your account. Now click on the plus sign or attachment icon to upload your image file. After uploading the image, type this prompt exactly as shown. Convert this image to PDF file and provide me the link of PDF file. Then hit the enter key. Wait a few seconds while ChatGPT processes the request. Once the download link appears, just click on it. And that is it, your image is now successfully converted to PDF.